video, I'm going to share how you can keep your WordPress site secure by just following a few simple steps, and you'll make it much harder for hackers to get in. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go on your WordPress site and go to the plugin section and search for security. Okay, so you want to search for a security plugin. And as you can see, there will be plenty of good options out there. There is Wordpress, there is only one security, but the one I would like you to download is Solid Security. Okay, this is the one I use. So let's go to the plugin and let's go to the settings. Okay, so the very first advice that I have for you is to change your login address, your login URL, so you will make it harder for bots to find it. Okay, if you want to access any WordPress site, you would have to write the address of the website /wp-admin, and that means that anybody can potentially access your website. So what we want to do is to hide that address, and we can do that with this plugin. We just go to Advanced, we go to the bottom to hide backend, and we just change the address. Okay, so what we want to change is the login slug. Okay, I already changed mine to window, but I encourage you to use any random word, So just to demonstrate, if I want to access my website, now this website is hosted on my own laptop. Okay, that's why you see this random URL. But if I write window, as you can see right here, it will take me to the login page. Okay, so that's the whole idea behind keeping my login credential, my login page secure. Okay, now the second tip is to use a two-factor authentication system, and in this way you will be able to verify your login information with a second step, like a code sent to your phone or your email, and this will add an extra layer of security. Okay, so you will have to go to the features. You just activate this two-factor, and as you can see right here, if you scroll down, you can select your methods. You can use a mobile app, you can use an email, you can use a backup authentication code. So what I recommend is for you to use a backup authentication code. So when you log in, there will be a second step, and WordPress will ask you for a code that you have to write, and then the system will let you in, basically. Okay. Thirdly, the third advice that I have for you is to limit login attempts. What you can do is prevent brute force attacks by limiting the number of times someone can try to log in before they are locked out, and most security plugins offer these features. Solid Security is one of them, and as you can see here, you can just modify all the options right here. So you can decide on the minutes, the length of time an IP address or user will be locked out from the site. You can set a ban threshold. So yeah, you can do a lot of stuff with this, and I highly recommend you set this up. And the next advice that I have for you is to keep your plugins updated. Okay, so you have to know that outdated plugins where are they? Here. Outdated plugins are like open doors for hackers. So you should always update these plugins regularly. And if you're not using a plugin, just deactivate it and delete it. Okay. Even inactive plugins can pose a risk. Another piece of advice that I have for you is to install a reCAPTCHA on your site. You've probably seen those, as you can see right here, those "I'm not a robot" checkboxes. That's a reCAPTCHA, and you can add this to your forms and any page where users can log in or submit some information. And it's a really simple way to block bots from messing with your site. Okay. So what you want to do is to just go on this address right here, google.com/reCAPTCHA/admin/create, and you just register your site basically. So you just give it a label. I recommend you choose the score-based. You add your domain and you submit the information. You'll get a couple of codes that you have to copy and paste back on your WordPress site, okay? And what I recommend you to do is to either, if you use Elementor, you can just copy and paste those codes on your Elementor section right here. Or if you don't have Elementor, you can just download this plugin, Advanced Google reCAPTCHA, and paste your codes right here, okay? That's it. That's very simple. And last but not least, you have to keep your WordPress version updated, because each update fixes vulnerabilities and keeps your site more secure. So you just go to Dashboard and click on Updates, and you'll see that your WordPress version is updated. Okay. So overall, this is a summary of the steps you need to take in order to make your site more secure. And these are the steps. First of all, you have to install a security plugin. You hide your login address. You set the two-factor authentication system. You limit login attempts. Keep your plugins updated. Install reCAPTCHA and keep your WordPress version updated. Okay, and that's it. Here are the few steps to take to keep your WordPress site safe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my resources in the video's description, and I'll see you in the next one.